and pull over closer to the curb, come to a complete stop. Hello beautiful people, Arif Orya here from Orya Driving Academy, and I will be showing you route number 1 for the G2 test here at the Kitchener Drive Test Center. When you come here, this is what you will have to do. Once you get to the Drive Test Center, you will have to park your car in one of the parking spaces. It is always recommended that you park your car in reverse because then it will be easier for you to come out. So park your car in reverse. Please make sure that you know the number of your parking space. Then you will have to go inside the Drive Test Center. There are designated kiosks for the scheduled road test appointments. You'll go to the kiosk, touch the screen, and you will see this screen there. It says, please choose one of the following options, which is scheduled road test check-in. Click on this, and then it will take you to the next screen. The next screen will tell you, please ensure you have the following information before you begin: driver's license, vehicle make and color, license plate number, parking space number. And if there's no parking space, then please indicate front, side, or back, wherever you have parked your car at. Then click on continue, and then it will take you to the next screen where you will have to enter your driver's license number. Your driver's license always starts with a letter, so enter the letter first, then it will take you to the numbers, and then enter the number of your driver's license. Once you enter your driver's license number, then it will take you to the next screen and your appointment will pop up. It says road test. You are checking in for road test appointment on this date. Please select the appointment below and select next to continue. So in this case here, if you're here for G, it will show class G, and if you're here for G2, it will show G2. It will also show the time that you have booked your appointment at and the location at which Drive Test Center. You check the box and then click on next, and then it will take you to the next screen. So on this screen, the kiosk will ask you 2 questions. Check yes or no for this. Number 1, has an optometrist or physician ever advised you that you require corrective lenses to improve your visual acuity to see at a distance? So, which means if you're wearing any glasses or any contact lenses, if you are, please make sure you have them on you. If you don't have them, they can refuse your test, and it will show as an X on your license if you have it, but you haven't brought them. So the examiner will check for that. The next one is, has a physician ever advised you that you suffer from any of the following medical conditions: heart disease, stroke, diabetes requiring insulin to control, epilepsy, seizure disorder, loss of consciousness or awareness, or any other medical condition or physical disability that may affect your safe operation of a motorized vehicle? So obviously you're here for the road test, so this will be a no. If you suffer from any of these, you shouldn't be here. So you hit next, and then it will bring you to this screen. So when you come to this screen, it will actually ask you for the vehicle make. So you enter your car model, if it's Toyota, Honda, whatever it is. Your license plate number, you enter the plate number of your car, and then the color of your car, whether it's white, black, red, whatever color it is. And then location of vehicle or parking spot number. So you enter the parking spot. So in this case, I have number 11. So you enter 11 or whichever parking space you have parked at. And if there's no parking space number, then you either put front, side, or back, wherever you have parked your car at. Once you do that, then click next, and then it will take you to this screen. It says, once you receive a ticket below, your test has been dispatched to an examiner and you must wait at your vehicle immediately. Then click on the box here where it says, I acknowledge, I'll wait at my vehicle immediately. So once you click on this box, you will receive a ticket from the kiosk. Grab the ticket, go to your car and wait in the car for the examiner. The examiner will come to your car from the left side. You will have to, while you're waiting for the examiner, please make sure that your seat is adjusted, your mirrors are adjusted, you have your seat belt on. And when the examiner comes, make sure you start the car. bring the left side window down, and this is what they're gonna do. Hello, my name is Arif, and I will be your examiner for the day. Can I have your license, please?
Sure. Here you go.
Thank you. Could I please have your full name?
Yeah, I'm Adam John.
Your date of birth?
Yeah, 1995, 0521.
Perfect. Thank you so much. Can you beep the horn for me, please,
Sure.
GP? Thank you. Can I please have the right signal? Left signal? Thank you. Swatch me in the mirror and let's do the same thing in the back.
Okay.
Can I please have the left signal? Right signal? Can you turn off the signal, please?
Yes.
Step on the brake.
Okay.
Take your foot off. Thank you.
Do you require glasses?
No, sir.
Do you have any medical conditions that would affect your safe driving?
No, sir.
All right, can I see your license one more time?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. On today's test, you will not be asked to do anything against the law. Your driving capabilities will be noted and assessed. When observing or looking around, please move your head and not just your eyes.
Sure, sir.
Cellular and Bluetooth devices must be silenced or turned off. Convenience technologies can't be used. In-vehicle recording devices must not be facing the passenger area. Get a copy of the test inside the office or online at drivetest.ca afterwards.
Sure, sir.
Do you have any questions before we start?
No, sir.
When you are ready, please proceed.
All right. So depending on where you have parked your car here in the parking lot, so where I am parked, the examiner will either ask you to go right or left. So depends on the examiner's direction. So before leaving, so please make sure that you're putting your car in drive. Signal to either right or left, whatever direction the examiner has given you. So I'm going to go left here. So I'm going to signal to the left. But before leaving, do a good 360 degrees check. Check your rear view mirror, left, center, right, behind, all around. And when you're coming out, nice and slowly looking left, right, watch for any cars, any pedestrian, go halfway in and then turn left here. So once you turn left here, then right away you will be turning left again. So mirror, signal, blind spot, and we're going to turn left here. So in here, there is a stop sign coming up, one-way stop sign. Check your rear view mirror, signal, blind spot to the left. Make sure you're coming to a complete stop here. Come to a complete stop here. Look both sides, right and left. Make sure there are no cars. When there are no cars, that's when you're gonna make your turn. Go slowly, move, go halfway in, and then turn left here. So in here for route number 1, the examiner will tell you to go right on Ottawa Street. So keep moving slowly, mirror, signal, blind spot to the right, and stay on the far right lane. So in here, there's no stop sign, but I will slow down, look both sides, left, right, and then when there's no cars, and then I make a right turn here. So once you get here, change your lane to left, mirror, signal, blind spot to the left, and come to the center lane. Turn off the signal once your four wheels are in, because the right lane will be turning right, the left one is turning left. So there's a red traffic light. Come to a complete stop. When you're coming to a complete stop, please make sure that you're checking all around and you're aware of your surroundings for your G2 test. Check your rear view mirror, left, center, right, left again, and stay on this. When it's green light, look left, right, and then proceed when it's safe. So continue on this. The speed limit here is 50 kilometers per hour. They will bring you this way for your G2 test for route number 1, and for route number 2 and number 3, you can check the playlist of my YouTube channel, so that I will do route number 2 and number 3 as well, so that way you never know which way the examiner is going to take you to. So at least you know all the streets here. So in here it's 50 kilometers per hour, but as we reach to the end there, as you guys can see, there is a sign for sharp turn to the left. Make sure that you're reducing your speed limit. Coast means take your foot off the gas pedal, slow down, and when you're making a left turn here, nice and slowly, do not do a sharp turn. Check a blind spot, nice and slowly turn left here. So once you turn left here, this is the residential area. The speed limit is 40 kilometers per hour. They will make you do it. So they may ask you to turn right here or go straight, depending on where. But any streets that are coming your way, just look left, right, and continue here. So the examiner may ask you to do uphill, downhill parking here. So I'm going to do a few in this video, a few in the second and third video. So I will do the roadside stop or emergency stop here. So for emergency stop, check your rear view mirror, signal, blind spot to the right, and pull over closer to the curb. Come to a complete stop here. Once you come to a complete stop here, then for a roadside stop, what you will have to do is push the hazard light, park your car, and pull your parking brake. That's the emergency stop or roadside stop if the examiner asks you to do this. So to end an emergency stop, what you will have to do is put down your parking brake, put the car in drive, turn off the hazard lights, look in the mirror, rear view mirror, make sure there's no car coming, and then signal to the left, check your blind spot, and then you proceed. For more G2 lessons, check the playlist of my YouTube channel. I've done I've posted most of the G2 lessons, so where you can find them, and continue here. So nice and slowly, residential area, and then they might ask you to do an uphill, downhill parking here, or 3-point turn, all those things. So, or they might ask you to turn right at on the next street. So mirror, signal, blind spot, about 3 houses or 5 seconds before you do the mirror, signal, blind spot, and we're going to turn right here. Check the blind spot and turn right here. So continue on this street. The streets can be different. That could be any street. Doesn't really matter which street, but they may bring you here and then continue. So in here, they might ask you to do an uphill parking. So I'm going to do an uphill parking for you guys as well. So pull over, check your rear view mirror, signal, blind spot to the right, and then we're going to pull over to the side here, come to a complete stop here, and we do an uphill parking. So come to a complete stop. For uphill parking with a curb, we turn our wheels all the way to the left, park the car, and pull your parking brake. So 90% of the times on your G2 test, the examiner will ask you to do a 3-point turn right after they make you do an uphill parking. The reason behind that is because your wheels are already turned, so it's easier for you to do the 3-point turn. So now they will ask you to do a 3-point turn. So I already did the emergency stop or roadside stop for you guys. I did the uphill parking, and I'm going to do a 3-point turn for you guys as well. I will do the downhill parking and the parallel parking the next videos for you guys. But to start doing the 3-point turn, put down your parking brake, put the car in drive. So check your rear view mirror, make sure no cars are coming, signal to the left, look ahead, look back, all around, and then you go all the way until your left side mirror is on top of the curb, above the curb. You stop here, put the car in reverse, and then do a 360 degrees check all around, turn the wheels all the way to the right, signal to the right, and you go all the way until your side mirror is in the middle of the road. You stop, and then you change the gear, look right, left, signal to the left, and then you go. That's a 3-point turn for you guys. So in here, the examiner will ask you to go left at the stop sign. So we're going to be going left. Prepare yourself for the left turn. There's a one-way stop sign. So about 3 houses before, check your rear view mirror, signal, blind spot to the left, and we are going to be coming to a complete stop here. It's a one-way stop sign. So stop here, align with the grass, check rear view mirror, left, center, right, and then creep up nice and slowly, look both sides, go halfway in, and then turn left, just like this. Again, the speed limit is 40 kilometers per hour here. Just maintain a good speed limit. Residential area, any streets that are coming your way, just look right. If it's only on the right, you just look right. If it's only on the left, you just look left. And when you're driving beside other cars that are parked on the street, make sure you're maintaining a good 1 meter space. Do not drive too close. One of the questions on the G2 is passes too closely. So please make sure we are not passing too closely. Look left, and there's a stop sign. We will be going left. So check your rear view mirror, signal, blind spot to the right. We're gonna be coming to a complete stop here. Check both sides for any pedestrian, no bicycles, and then nice and slowly check the blind spot and continue here, just like this. So the speed limit changes back to 50 kilometers per hour. Pick up your speed limit and then continue on this. So These are the streets. Streets could be different a little bit, maybe any of the streets, but they will do the same thing, you know, the uphill, downhill, 3-point turn, parallel park, those things in these residential areas. So we will be going back to the drive test center, and that's pretty much it. It's only going to take 10 to 15 to 20 minutes, your test. It's a green light. Please make sure that if it's a red light, we are stopping. If it's a green light, we are going to look left, right, and continue. But in here, they will ask you to go left. So mirror, signal, blind spot to the left, and then we are going to be making a left turn here. So try to come to this lane. And in here, once you reach here, please make sure that you're watching for any oncoming traffic. Go halfway in, wait for any cars. Make sure there are no cars and no pedestrian on the left side. That's when you're going to check the blind spot and then turn left. And when you turn left here, the examiner will ask you to either turn right here, mirror, signal, blind spot to the right, and then they will bring you here. If they don't make you do a parallel park on one of the streets, then they will ask you to do a reverse parking somewhere here. So let's go left, mirror, signal, blind spot, and then they're gonna ask you to park in any of these parking spaces. I'm gonna park front park for you guys, mirror, signal, blind spot here. So for front parking, if you're parking on the left, stay on the right. And align the first line of the parking space with your steering wheel, and then turn full to the left. Look, check your blind spot, and then go. Keep the steering wheel until your wheels are straight. Then turn 2 times to the right, and then go in until your side mirror is on top of the curb. That's when you stop. That's pretty much it, guys. You park the car, and you're gonna hear the good news from your examiner. They will tell you, congratulations, you meet the ministry standards. Please don't forget the ticket that you got at the beginning. Grab that ticket, go inside the drive test center, and wait for your turn. They will either call you by your name or by the ticket number. And then when it's your turn, they will give you your temporary license. They'll put a sticker on your G1, and they will give you a paper license, which you should be able to drive with both of them. The plastic one is for ID, and the other one is for your license until you get the plastic one in the mail. If you change your address, please make sure that you're notifying the clerk so that they can update your address in the system, so that your new license can come to the correct address. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and share the video with your friends and families. And I've done the G2 lessons as well for you guys in my YouTube channel. Go to the playlist for the G2 lessons, and that's where you're going to learn a lot of the G2 lessons from there. And make sure you're following me for more videos.